Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove a bowl on a Kitchenaid stand mixer. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have this Kitchenaid stand mixer. It's a little bit older than the current models. However, it works in a very similar way, and I'll tell you the differences that you might encounter and how to deal with those differences for removing the bowl. So in this model, the bowl raises and lowers using this rod right over here. Okay, and on other models, it's going to, whole head is going to lift up. But either way, you want to essentially separate the bowl from the actual mixing unit. Okay, so either you want to lower the bowl down like I just did right there. So it was, once again, it was raised up. You want to lower it just like that, okay, using that lever, or you want to raise up the head of the mixer, okay? Now, next, what you want to do is if the head comes up, you likely won't have to remove the paddle, but you might. It all depends on what kind of situation you have going on, but you want to remove the paddle, so just take off the paddle just like that, take off the beater, make it a little bit easier on yourself. Make sure, obviously, that the unit is unplugged as well. Now, you can see right here, the bowl is held in place with these pegs, so it's sitting on these pegs right here, okay? Just like that. Now, I'll tell you about the difference in a moment, but to remove this bowl right here, what you want to do is lift up and pull towards you. So you want to lift it off the pegs and then pull towards you. So what I'm going to do is grab the handle right here. I'm going to lift up and pull towards me. And then now, as you can see, I've removed the bowl, as you can see right over here. Okay, to put it back on, you want to push it into the pegs and then drop it down on top of the pegs. So as you can see right here, I'm pushing it into the pegs and dropping it down up towards me to remove it, and to put it back in and down, just like that. Very simple. To remove it, up towards you, to put it back in place, in and down, just like that. In the other circumstance with a different model, what you're going to have to do is, once it's in a similar position where either the head is lifted up and you have removed the beater or the paddle, you can then twist the bowl. Sometimes the bowl is held in place by twisting it. So you can twist it to remove it, and to put it back in, you simply place it down and twist it again. The opposite way, obviously. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.